Hello, my name is Chris. I'm one of the technicians here at Genesis of Schaumburg. So before we take it over to the alignment rack, I want to make sure we top off the tire pressures, make sure those are set to the proper specification on this vehicle. The tire pressures in the front are 35 and in the rear they are 39. It's important here, as you can see on the tire, it says the max tire pressure is 50 PSI. You won't ever need to go anywhere near that, but it is good to remember in the cold, you go based on whatever the door says for the manufacturer's tire specification, and you do +2 because cold air does compress and hot air does expand. As you drive your car, the tires will heat up and the tire pressure will go up a little bit, but it is important that way when it's cold out and your car's sitting in the driveway, you don't come outside in the morning to a tire light because the air in your tire decompressed. The other important thing is in the summertime, you want to make sure you don't overpressurize your tires because there could be a situation doing an extended amount of highway driving, traffic, in the hot weather, your tires actually could get so hot that they pop. Now that's not usually something to think about in today's day and age. However, it is important to not overpressurize your tires. Thanks for watching Tech Explains. My name is Chris with Genesis of Schaumburg, and I will see you next time.